Have you ever wondered which auto editor works best for talking videos? Now we have here two options, Opus Clip and Wisecut. So first, let's talk about Opus Clip. It's an AI tool designed and mainly for turning longer videos, especially talking, head podcast interviews, or instructional type content. You can turn them into short, repurposed clips. So let's talk about its pros. It offers big time saver for long form content. It offers built-in features catered to short-form and social formats. It's also decent for creators who already have a long-form talking video and just convert them directly. The problem is though, there are some mixed quality and unreliable results. They also have customer support and cancellation process issues, and it's less suited for finely tuned editing or complex talking videos. Now, Wisecut, on the other hand, is another AI video editing tool focused on talking head videos and content for creators. It emphasizes removing silences, auto captions, reformatting, background music, and many more. So for the pros, it's tailored for talking head and presentation style videos. It's easy to use and also have reviewers which you can upload. They also have a good value for cleaning up raw footage, especially if you record yourself talking for YouTube. The problem is though, it's less powerful in clip generations. They have some users report upload and download issues, and if you need a full creative control, there might be some limitations. So overall, if your workflow is for long form talking, videos, and you want to generate multiple short clips, then choose Opus Clips. But if your workflow is you record yourself, presentation style, and just want a cleaned up version ready for upload, then choose Wisecut. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.